Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell on TikTok Shop with AutoDS. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on AutoDS, you can use our links in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm already right here on the AutoDS register page. So you can just click on the link on the description below and you'll be redirected to this page right here, and right here you can sign up with Google or you can create your account using your own email address, and you can provide your full name and a password. So now I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. So right here, so as you can see, after signing up your Google account or your creating your AutoDS account, you'll be redirected to this window and it will prompt you to select your selling channel. So it shows you Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Wix, WooCommerce, and Etsy. But since we are selling on TikTok in this tutorial, we're gonna choose TikTok as our selling channel. So let's click TikTok and you will be redirected to this subscription page. So you need to add now your subscription, your package of your AutoDS account. So you can choose import 200, and under it is its benefits. So you have a product research tool, draft manager, products manager, product image editor. You can have all of these great features right here. But yeah, so you can see the best or the most popular subscription now is the starter for 100. So yeah, you can choose this one. You can start now. Click this one. And right here, you just need to input your payment method. You can choose PayPal, Payoneer, or you can use your debit or credit card or Google Pay. So that's it. So as you can see, it only offers $0.99 on your first purchase. So after the trial, you will pay $428 per month. And that's it. So you just need to input your payment method and click continue. So right here, so after purchasing your subscription, you will be redirected to this dashboard or to this window, and it will the AutoDS will ask you to tell about yourself. So what are you? How do you hear about the AutoDS? So you can choose whatever you want among these options right here. So I'm going to choose, so for example, YouTube and or chat GPT, let's say, and click continue. And which types of products do you plan to sell? So whether you are selling on TikToks, whether you're selling toys or and hobbies on TikToks, home and garden, home improvement tools, outdoors tools, sports and fitness, pets, electronics, gadgets, clothing, yeah, etc., etc. You can choose among these options right here. So let's say we're selling electronic gadgets and clothings. Or oh, I'm you only need to choose one. So let's say clothing, and click continue. So what are your main goals for using AutoDS? So whether you want to learn how to run your dropshipping store, whether you want to design your own products, whether you are looking for profitable products to sell, or you want to simplify and speed up your order on your TikTok account or TikTok shop account, and you want to monitor your price and stock in a better way. So you can choose this options as much as you want. So let's say I'm going to choose this four and click continue. So now you need to select your TikTok shop type since we're using TikTok. So if you live in United States, you can use United States. But if you live on other countries, yes, you can choose this one. So let's say this one. Click continue. So after you click continue, you will be redirected to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. And right here on the TikTok Shop Seller Center, you need to select your TikTok Shop account. So yeah, if you have a TikTok Shop account, you can log in your TikTok Shop account. But here you need to select your account type. So let's say we are an Asia seller. So let's say we choose this one. Choose your country, and you will be redirected to the TikTok Shop domain of your own country. And right here, so as you can see on the TikTok shop, I will directed and I need to sign up for an account. And if you already have a TikTok shop account, you can just log in right here. So let's say I'm going to log in I'm going to sign up for an account. So after creating your numbers and your password, after creating your TikTok shop account, you will be redirected to this one. So as you can see, this is the TikTok shop seller dashboard. So right here, you just need to click. So this window will pop up, and you just need to click start selling, and you'll need to provide this information right here. So you need to input your shop name, for example, your shop name, etc., like that. The product category, for example, you're selling, as I said, I'm selling uh let's say this one, let's say clothing. Yeah, menswear and underwear. Yes. So click continue. So you need to have your business verification. So for example, I'm only a individual seller. So you just need to choose your ID or your type of identification, and you need to upload your identification document. So now right here, so as you can see, after you set up your TikTok Shop account and and you upload the documents, and right here, if you click again continue, you'll be redirected on this window right here. So it's only under the App Store, and you will see AutoDS, US Dropshipping, and it's a POD, and you just need to install it in your TikTok Shop account. So you need to authorize your shop. So duration of the partner access, you can put it unlimited, or yeah, you can put a time period. Your email address, you need to input this also, and your contact telephone number. So this is only an optional. So you just need to input this information right here and click confirm to install. And right here, as you can see, the AutoDS will now will now be integrated in your TikTok Shop account. So you just need to click this box right here that says that you acknowledge that by clicking authorize, the data as described above will immediately and automatically be shared with your AutoDS LTD. So that is including your product basic, your order information, fulfillment basic, logistics basic. So you just need to authorize it. So now, as you can see, it's now authorized. So please log in the app or service to proceed. So after doing that, you'll be redirected back again on AutoDS. So right here, so you can connect your TikTok shop, click continue. So as you can see right here, the authorization on my TikTok shop account is not working. So if that happens, it will take you back in your TikTok shop account seller center again, and you need to reauthorize your your AutoDS to your TikTok shop account. So you just need to click confirm to install again, and do this again right here. So please log in the app or service to proceed again. And you can also view manage your authorization. And again, right here. So as you can see, if I click continue, yeah, it says this error right here. So I don't know why it happens, but basically, if you connect your TikTok shop and you click continue, you'll be redirected to the AutoDS dashboard. So this is what it would look like right here. So as you can see, this is the dashboard, and currently if you connected your TikTok shop on your AutoDS, your TikTok shop performance will reflect on the AutoDS, and that will include your TikTok shop profits, TikTok shop orders, the total revenue that you generated in your TikTok shop, your products, your new products performance, and it will also shows your sales overview, and you can see your average profit, average sell order cost, max profit in order, and etc., etc. And if you go to the products or in orders, this is order section. This is where you can see all of your TikTok products, and right here you can fulfill all of your orders. And if you want to make it automatically fulfilled, there will be an auto order credits that will appear on this location right here, and it comes with a credit. And if you want to automate your fulfillment orders, you can just buy a credit, and yeah, auto fulfill your credits or auto fulfill your orders, right, etc., etc. And that's it. So under the products, as you can see, this is where you can see all of your products that you have added in your TikTok shop account. So as you can see, AutoDS also offers other products affiliate. So you can the AutoDS will shows you some products that you can sell and you can import in your TikTok Shop account. So that will appear also under product section right here. And that's it. So you can manage your customers support will with multiple stores. So this is the customer care, and this is where you can view all of your stores simultaneously and you can manage them as one, and that's it. So yeah, apparently I having a problem connecting my TikTok Shop account, but that is basically it. That's what happened on AutoDS. It's just a third party apps for for you to manage your TikTok Shop account, and that is how you can sell on AutoDS in your TikTok Shop account. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.